Hi guys, it's Hani of Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. October is only a few weeks away, and as you guys know, October is the Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and with that in mind, I put together a step-by-step tutorial on how to make pink ribbon cookies. Maybe you are putting together a hope care package for someone going through a tough time, or if you are planning on hosting a bake sale and need some inspiration, I hope you will like this tutorial and will make these cookies for your bake sale. And now let's get started with today's tutorial. First, I'm going to outline and flood the cookies with 15-second consistency royal icing. I colored my royal icing with just a little bit of pink food coloring to make this beautiful soft pink color. And then to smooth the icing, use a scribe tool or a toothpick, and then we can set this aside and let the cookies or icing dry overnight. While that's drying, we can work on the flowers. I'm going to make some piped cherry blossoms to decorate the cookies, and to make the flowers you need flower nail, you need a piping tip, you also need parchment squares, and you also need a template. If this is your first time making these flowers, template is going to be super useful for you. You can also find a step-by-step tutorial on how to make these flowers here on my YouTube channel that is more detailed and will give you more information. Basically, I'm piping the petals with the piping bag at about 45-degree angle. Make sure that your piping tip, the narrow end is facing out and the wide end is facing in. So narrow end is facing out, that's where the white is coming out, and wide end, that's where the pink is coming out, is facing in. Let the flowers dry overnight and then you can use them for your project. I also decided to dust royal icing with some pink luster dust. Now this is an optional step, you don't have to do this. I just like how it looks, it just shimmers and it has a nice sheen. You can also airbrush the cookies with pearl airbrush color if you have an airbrush. Now to decorate the top, I'm going to pipe 2 branches with brown royal icing. This is about piping consistency. And then we're going to attach those beautiful piped flowers we made earlier. Now, if you feel intimidated by this design, just hold on a second. At the end of the video, I will show you a modified version that is easier if you are not used to decorating and piping flowers. You can also pipe flowers directly onto the cookie using same piping tip 101. Make few petals and then overlap them like so and there. Now to connect the flowers with the branches, I'm adding another layer of brown. This is like a teardrop shape, just so it connects with the branches. And then using a small food only paintbrush, I'm just going to blend that in. Alright, so that's almost done. And I'm also going to add a few more short branches here and there using brown royal icing, and then shape them with a paintbrush, and then you can add some pink dots. So this was the first design, a bit more advanced, and then the second design I'm just going to show you. You can create beautiful cookies without the piped flowers using simple dots. Again, I'm starting with the same design, piping 2 branches, adding short branches, and then I'm going to switch to dark pink royal icing. This is about 25-second consistency, I would say. And I like to pipe 3 dots, 2 dots, or 1 dot around the branches. Alright, so I'm almost done here. After you're done piping all the dots, let the icing dry, and then you can package your cookies in poly bags. And here are the finished cookies. I think these turned out really pretty. Again, you can find a step-by-step picture tutorial on my blog, hanielas.com. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to Hanielas on YouTube. And you can also find me on Instagram or Facebook. And don't forget to follow me on hanielas.com. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.